Hello students, very good morning. This is our maths class. In maths we have started the lesson subtraction and we have completed up to addition and subtraction together. You are writing word problems in notebook also. So today we will start with estimating the differences. Now what are estimating the differences? In last lessons also we have done the estimating differences. How? By rounding of the numbers. Rounding of the numbers. Up till last lesson we have done the rounding of numbers of 1 digit and 2 digits. Now we will do 3 digits and 4 digits rounding of numbers. See, for example, for rounding of 10s, I am taking a number 52. Now we have to look the number on the ones place. This is tens and ones. Ones place value is 2. That is, it is less than 4. So we will take the rounding of number of 50. And if I am taking the number that is 56. So what will be the rounding of number? The ones place number is more than 5. That is 6. Then we will take the next tens number, that is 60. Understood? For 10s rounding number we have to look the value of ones place. Now for hundreds, which number we will take? Suppose I am taking here 162. Now HTO. Now for 100s we have to look the value of tens place. Tens place. If tens place value is less than 4, we will take the rounding number of hundreds place. That is 100. And if the value of tens place is more than 5, we will take the next hundreds, that is 200. And if I am taking the number that is 136. So tell me the answer. On tens place, which number is there? 3. So 3 is less than 4. So we will take the rounding number on hundreds place, that is 100. Understood? For 10s we have to look the value on the ones place, and if the number is for 100s we have to look the value of tens place. So let us see the questions. Here one example is given. See, estimate the difference between 629 and 262 to the nearest 10s. 10s means we have to look the value of ones place. Ones place 629. 9 is the more than 5. So rounding of number will be 30. After 29, 30. Next is 262. On ones place 2 is there. That is, it is less than 4. So we will take the rounding of tens place, that is 260. Now we have to subtract these numbers. 630 minus 260 is equal to 370. So whatever answer comes, we have to write here in this sentence. Thus the estimated difference is 370. And for 100s, see, next question is for 100s, 2465 and 1223. So in tens place 6 is there. So we have to take the next tens number. So which will be the next number? 65. 465, it will become 500. And for 1223, tens place value is 2, that is less than 4. So we will take the rounding of 200, that is 1200. So we have to subtract this and write the sentence in this manner. Thus the estimated difference is 1300. I will send you pics. You have to write these questions in your notebook. Complete this in notebook. And these are the questions you have to solve. Tick the correct answer. You can tick in textbook only. And these word problems you have to write in notebook. I will send you pictures of these questions. You copy in your notebooks.